Alright, welcome back to the Brooklyn Brothers Cooking Channel, or if you haven't been here before, welcome. Anyway, this is our first video, 2024. We want to thank all of our subscribers. We had a great year last year. We now have over 35,000 subscribers and over 3 million video views, which we're very, very happy with. Thank you all.
Thank you so much, everyone.
Yeah, anyway, we're going to show you how to make this. This is our grandmother's spicy seafood linguine. It has shrimp and calamari in there.
Baby squid with the tentacles.
Yeah, but you can actually use any seafood you like. Mussels, clams work really good in here as well, even scallops. Anyway, let's show you how to cook this baby.
All right, we're gonna get our tomatoes ready. I'm just gonna crush these with my hand.
Did you wash them?
The tomatoes?
Oh, your hands.
Yes.
I'm gonna go live, so.
All right, go live. Oh, very nice.
Okay, the tomatoes are ready. All right, we're gonna cook our shrimp, and we got some calamari here, or baby squid with the tentacles.
Say hi, Sean.
Hi! We're going live.
Going live on TikTok.
Yeah.
Whoa. All right.
Here's our baby squid with tentacles also. The tubes are on the bottom.
Very nice.
And we're gonna do a calabrese pepper spicy marinara sauce.
Oh, sounds good to me.
Got some garlic here.
What do you got, about 6 cloves?
Yeah.
Chopping up some garlic.
Okay.
That already.
We got our garlic in there. We're gonna put a little
Olive
olive oil in there. Olive olivio.
Let that cook up a little bit.
You got 70 likes.
And then we got some nice fresh basil here.
All right. I got some fresh basil.
Smells so good. All right, we're gonna let this fry a little bit, then we're gonna
Add the shrimp.
We're just gonna cook the shrimp and squid just like for a little bit, and then we're gonna do the sauce separate and then marry everything together.
Oh, sounds good.
We're gonna go ahead and add our shrimp in there.
We're gonna cook that halfway, right?
Yeah.
Very nice.
What spoon?
Slide a spoon so you pull out the shrimp. Oh, man, so good. Beautiful. Smell that. Man, this is some really good seafood we got. Gulf shrimp. Fresh.
Stop banging.
Chef Noah just said I really enjoy.
All right, let's we're gonna put this.
Play with your hand. All right, we just poured the shrimp in there. We're gonna let that cool down a bit. Now we're gonna start up the tomato sauce.
Get a little more garlic here.
All right, now we're gonna just cut up some more garlic for the sauce. Hey, if y'all are just getting on the live stream, we put out a couple of videos a month, at least 2 videos every month. We specialize in Italian American cooking. We're both from New York. We're not those how you doing guys or those forget about it guys. We're not even your sister's ass type guys. But all we do is provide great recipes. We've been in a restaurant business probably 50 years or so. Anyway, check out that garlic. Cook it up a little bit. There we go.
We're gonna add our basil in there.
Oh yeah. That crack and pop. There we go.
God, these are really spicy, so
Yes, these are calabrese peppers right
that might
here.
be enough. If it's not, I love spicy food, but
Believe me, that
you
is
can
enough.
always add more to it. All right, tomatoes. Watch out, boys. This is gonna make a mess now.
Yeah, Mike. All right. Let that cook up.
All right, some salt and pepper.
Beautiful. looking good.
Like I said, we're gonna let this cook for about 20 minutes.
On medium-high heat, get that stuff boiling. All right. Meanwhile, we're gonna go ahead and start the linguine water.
Linguine.
All right, let's get that spaghetti water going.
All right, we got the salt here. We got 2 pounds of linguine, so.
Is that all? Damn. It's only 3 of us eating.
What are you talking about? 2.
I like getting fed.
I'll be back. All right, water's boiling. Let's get that linguine in here.
Linguilets.
We're gonna cook these al dente. Only way to eat pasta. All right, we'll be back. How's that sauce? Ah, beautiful.
Almost there.
All right, spaghetti's almost ready. Sauce is just about cooked. All right, seafood going in. Oh man, look at all that shrimp, big calamari, beautiful.
Ooh, baby.
Oh my God, look at that. That is wonderful. It's a beautiful thing, right, son?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let that cook up for about how many minutes, Don?
Oh, let's check it out in about 5 minutes. Should be ready.
All right.
Just the shrimp are only halfway cooked, and,
Right. Ready.
and the calamari.
All right. Linguine's ready. How's it coming there, chef?
Perfect, man.
Look at that.
Almost there. 1 more minute. 1 more minute.
Oh, that's beautiful. All right, I'm ready.
How much linguine? Ay, 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 look at this.
Let him cook.
Oh, yeah. Oh, beautiful.
Okay, let's put this in the platter.
Oh, that looks beautiful.
Is anybody hungry?
Oh, we get it.
Come get some. Yup, yeah. Oh, man, oh, man. Guys, I can eat this whole platter by myself, I guarantee it.
Yeah, he can. He's not kidding. Oh, yeah. That looks gorgeous. Oh, man. All right, I'm starving. Look at that. Beautiful. There's some parsley over there. And drop it.
That'd be awful. We just meet street
look
for
how
40 minutes
beautiful
of
that
recording.
is.
And then just.
Gorgeous.
Oh, man.
Beautiful. Let's eat.
All right, let's test out this linguine.
Every man for themselves.
He's not taking any time.
Oh, man. This looks great. Anyway, we're going to have the link to the calabrese peppers for this dish
Manja.
in the description of the video. Oh, man, look at that shrimp. Check that out, baby. Get some of that, some calamari. All right, very good. Oh, it smells wonderful. Let's taste the linguine first.
Mmm. Very good.
Mmm. Very, very good. Excellent flavor. Seafood really goes well with tomatoes, I'll tell you what. Look at that beautiful shrimp. Mmm. Very good. Great job, Chef Tom.
Thank you.
Anyway, thanks for watching.
Take care, guys.
We appreciate the subscribers, and we will see you guys later on. Take care.